Welcome to this Real Roadie Gig Breakdown. I'm your instructor, and today we're going to look at how to evaluate and complete deliveries for maximum profit. Welcome to D.M.A Studio. Today I'm going to teach you how to make smart money with Roadie, how to choose profitable gigs, avoid bad deliveries, and maximize your earnings like a professional driver. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your account, find those high-paying gigs, and manage the entire delivery process like a pro. We'll also share some insider tips on how to maximize your daily earnings. First things first, getting set up. Roadie is unique because it's a crowdsourced delivery network. Unlike traditional couriers, it matches drivers with deliveries that are already headed in their direction. To start, you'll need a smartphone and a valid driver's license. Download the Roadie app and follow the prompts to create your driver profile. You'll need to pass a background check and provide your vehicle information. Once approved, you'll see a map of available gigs in your region. Once you're in the app, the real fun begins. You'll see different colored pins on the map. These represent gigs. A gig is just another word for a delivery job. But not all gigs are created equal. You need to know what to look for. Take a look at the map. You can see your current location, the pickup point, and the final destination. The app calculates the distance and estimated time, so you can decide if a route fits your schedule before you even offer to take it. When you tap on a pin, you'll see the gig details. This is where you see the payout, the size of the items, and any special instructions. My advice? Always check the dimensions and weight. You don't want to accept a huge gig if it won't fit in your trunk. This is a real Roadie gig example. Before accepting any delivery, always check the payout, total miles, and estimated time. A smart driver focuses on profitable gigs, not just fast gigs. When you find a gig you like, you offer on it. Roadie then matches the best driver for that specific gig based on vehicle size and rating. Don't be discouraged if you aren't picked for the first few. Just keep offering on jobs that are on your way. Once accepted, head to the pickup location. Check the items against the app description. If you're picking up from a retailer, follow their specific curbside or in-store instructions. Proper handling here ensures a high rating later on. Now you're on the road. The Roadie app has built-in navigation, or you can use your favorite GPS app. While you're driving, the sender can track the progress in real time, which builds trust and reduces the need for back-and-forth communication. Your status will update automatically as you hit milestones. This transparency is part of why Roadie is a favorite for both senders and drivers. It keeps everyone informed without you having to send a single text. When you arrive, follow the delivery notes. Some items require a signature, while others can be left at the door. Regardless, you'll always need to take a high-quality proof of delivery photo within the app to complete the order. A clear photo showing the package at the correct address is your best insurance. It confirms the delivery was successful and gets you paid faster. Make sure the house number or a unique landmark is visible in the shot if possible. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe the receiver isn't home for a signature-required item. In those cases, the app will guide you through a return process. You'll be paid for the return trip, so you're never working for free. To truly maximize your earnings, look for gig bundles. These are multiple deliveries from the same pickup point. By taking 3 deliveries in one direction, you significantly increase your hourly rate without adding much mileage. Finally, treat every delivery with professionalism. Your driver rating is the key to getting matched with better, higher-paying gigs. Be on time, communicate clearly when necessary, and handle packages with care. It pays off in the long run. Let's recap. Set up your profile. Use the map to find gigs that fit your route, always verify your items at pickup, and never forget that proof of delivery photo. Follow these steps, and you'll be a Roadie expert in no time. You're now ready to hit the road and start earning. If you found this lesson helpful, check out our next session where we dive deep into long-haul delivery strategies. I'm Donald Obas, and I'll see you in the next lesson.